Here is how you can restart the iPad when it's frozen and it doesn't react to your touch. So let's get started. And if you're new here, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. So obviously, whenever you want to restart the iPad, you hold down on the power button and at the volume down button. And at the same time, you get the controller, you swipe away and you're going to turn it off. Or as well, in the control center, there is the turn off button, but your screen has to be reactive for you to even get there. If everything is frozen, well, this is not going to work. So in that case, we have to rely on the force restart, which is a method of restarting the iPad with just using the physical buttons. So the way that it works is that you quickly press the volume up, then volume down, and then the power button for a couple of seconds, and then your iPad is going to go black, the Apple logo is going to appear, and this is going to override the software and make the iPad restart. And usually after that, it's going to come back to the regular state and it's going to work just fine. It obviously sometimes happens. The software is not perfect all the time, so that is the thing which you can do. So again, it is quickly pressing volume up, then volume down, and then holding down on the power button on the side of the iPad. So that's how you can make the iPad restart when it's frozen. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. I hope I could assist you with it. Thanks a lot, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.